Hello dear students, in previous video I make you understand about the reproduction, asexual reproduction, okay. But today we'll discuss about the reproduction in plant, that is sexual reproduction, okay. I already told you about the sexual and asexual reproduction difference. Now we'll study about the plants. So first main thing is that flower is the sexual part of the plant. Sexual part or reproductive part of the plant is flower. Flower has different parts. Okay, these are sepals, then petals, these are stamen, and this pistil. Complete this female part is known as pistil, and it contains ovary, style, and stigma. Okay, again I am repeating: sepals, petals, this stamen, male parts, and this complete carpel or pistil is a female part and consists of three subparts: ovary, style, and stigma. Clear for you? Now we'll see the structure of stamen. This is the filament, and these are anther lobes. Total is known as stamen. It has two subparts, anther lobes and filament. So inside anther lobes there are pollen grains. You have seen the yellow dusty powder when you crush the flower, that are pollen grains. Now what are pollen grains? These are male gametes. This is the male reproductive part, and this formation is pollen twin formation. Clear for you? And this is ovary. Ovary consists of ovules. Maybe single, double, triple. Okay? Monocarpally, dicarpally, many are there. So this is called female gamete. Ovules are known as female gametes. Now we see the structure. This is female ovary. These are the ovules. Okay. This is style, and finally stigma. Okay. Now what happened? These pollen grains from anther lobes are going to the stigma of the flower. Okay. These are anther lobes. These are pollen grains reaching to the stigma. Maybe the same flower, same plant, or maybe the another plant. When they are reaching to the same plant, same flower stigma, this is known as self-pollination. But when they are reaching to the other plant, this is known as cross-pollination. Okay, clear? Now, main thing is double fertilization or pollen tube formation. This is a very important question according to board, CBSE board. So we'll discuss about that. When pollen grains are reaching to the stigma, okay, the stigma of the flower, so this pollen grain will form the pollen tube. Okay, pollen tube, it will form tube-like structure inside the style. This is style, and this is pollen tube, which is formed by pollen grain. So this is called pollen tube formation. This pollen tube consists of two nucleus. This is known as polar nuclei. Okay, these are known as polar nuclei. Again repeating. After pollination, the pollen grains reaching the stigma of the flower, and it's form the pollen tube. It consists of two polar nuclei. So one polar nuclei will attach to the female gamete with ovule, So the fusion of male gamete and female gamete is called fertilization. Okay, fertilization. Female gamete, male gamete form zygote. This is called fertilization. So after zygote formation, it will convert into embryo. Clear for you? It's converted into embryo. Or after that, a small seedling will form. So what about second nucleus? Second nucleus will form endosperm around the ovule, around the embryo. Okay, we'll give the example of mango. Mango seed, you have seen single embryo inside the mango. Okay, this is embryo by the combination of male gamete and female gamete. And this second nucleus will combine with the other cell and form endosperm. Endosperm, which we will eat. The yellowish part of the plant, yellowish part of the mango you are eating, that is endosperm, which is required to nourishment of the embryo. Okay, beta? So final result is that these ovules are converted into seeds after fertilization, and this ovary will convert into fruit. Okay, clear beta? After fertilization, the ovule will convert into seed and this ovary will convert into fruit. This is called double fertilization. So fruits are formed by this process. Clear? Thank you.